Welcome back to Dinar Exchange Chronicles. Today, we delve into a significant development shaping Iraq's economic landscape: the introduction of 30 newly designed banknotes. While the updates might appear minimal on the surface, they are deeply connected to Iraq's broader economic reforms and long-term financial goals. Let's unpack what this means for Iraq's future. New banknotes, a step toward change. At first glance, the new notes seem identical to the older designs, but there's one striking difference: the removal of zeros. This change isn't just about aesthetics. It reflects a calculated move by the Iraqi government to simplify monetary transactions and improve financial efficiency. However, this is not merely a cosmetic update. It's part of a carefully structured reform strategy aimed at stabilizing Iraq's financial systems for the future. Economic stability, a closer look at Iraq's finances. To understand the significance of these changes, we must examine Iraq's current financial situation. The nation's economy is heavily reliant on oil exports, which constitute the bulk of its national revenue. While high oil prices have brought wealth, this dependency has made Iraq vulnerable to market fluctuations. The pandemic painfully exposed this fragility when plummeting oil prices drastically reduced the country's income. To mitigate this dependency, the Iraqi government has set an ambitious goal: reducing oil revenue dependency to 20% of the total national income. Achieving this requires diversifying the economy by focusing on agriculture, manufacturing, and services. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, has emphasized the need for such diversification before supporting a substantial increase in the Iraqi dinar's value. Additionally, Iraq is working to improve its investment climate. The country's strategic geographic location and abundant natural resources position it as a potential hub for foreign investment. However, turning this potential into reality requires carefully executed strategies and reforms. The role of the Central Bank of Iraq. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, is central to these reform efforts. Recently, the CBI introduced banknotes with advanced security features. While this might seem like a minor update, it signals a significant shift in Iraq's monetary policy. Notably, the new notes neither introduce new denominations nor adjust the exchange rate. This has led analysts to believe that the government is prioritizing stability over immediate redenomination or currency revaluation. By upgrading the security features of the current notes, Iraq is ensuring a robust foundation for any future changes. A cautious path forward. Iraq's cautious approach to economic reform reflects its commitment to long-term success. Rapid changes in currency can create uncertainty, potentially destabilizing the economy. By gradually introducing these updates, Iraq aims to build trust and prepare its citizens for more substantial reforms. This preparation goes beyond banknotes. The government is actively educating the public about these changes, fostering awareness and confidence in the process. Such efforts are critical for ensuring a smooth transition when larger reforms eventually take place. Investment potential and challenges. Iraq's leadership has also been vocal about the country's investment potential. At the recent World Economic Forum, Iraq's president emphasized the nation's ambition to become a hub for trade and investment. The government is working to finalize the 2025 budget, which includes priorities for both ongoing and new projects. The proposed three-year budget mechanism, approved by Parliament, aims to ensure consistent funding for operational and investment expenditures. However, challenges remain. Political instability and delays in the budget process could hinder progress. Addressing these obstacles is essential for maintaining investor confidence and accelerating economic growth. Currency exchange rates and market dynamics. Currently, Iraq's official exchange rate for international settlements and electronic payments is 1,310 dinars per US dollar, with cash transactions slightly higher at 1,350 dinars per dollar. These rates highlight the challenges Iraq faces in achieving currency stability. The introduction of new banknotes with enhanced security features is a step in the right direction, signaling progress without rushing into major reforms like redenomination or revaluation. This measured approach reflects the government's focus on stability and preparedness. What lies ahead for Iraq? For Iraqi citizens and investors, these developments represent progress, albeit at a deliberate pace. The government's cautious approach underscores its commitment to building a stable economic foundation before implementing significant changes. The coming years will be critical for Iraq's economic transformation. With the 2025 budget discussions underway and efforts to attract foreign investment gaining momentum, the country is laying the groundwork for a more diversified and resilient economy. For now, the message is clear. Progress is being made, but patience is essential. Iraq's reforms, rooted in strategic planning and stability, hold the promise of a brighter financial future. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to chronicle Iraq's journey toward economic reform. Thank you for joining us on Dinar Exchange Chronicles. Until next time.